In this video, I'll be explaining YouTube automation and how you can start a YouTube channel with $0 and start making up to $10,000 a month without showing your face. Here I have an example of an automated YouTube channel on Social Blade, which shows the expected earnings and how many views this channel gets every day. So as you can see, this is alox.com. They have over 3 million subscribers. They get around 200,000 views every day. And Social Blade says their estimated monthly earnings is up to $25,000 a month, but I can tell you this is not true because Social Blade uses the average CPM. The CPM is how much you get paid for every 1,000 views, and alox.com is in the luxury niche, so their CPM is a lot higher, similar to videos in the real estate or finance or business niche. Usually the CPM is between $20 to $50 for channels like this. So if you take the amount of views for the last 30 days, which is 6.3 million views, divide this by 1,000 times, let's say 20, then as you can see, this channel makes at least $120,000 a month. And if we use, let's say, $40, then this channel can make up to $250,000 every month just from ads. And if you go to their channel, you will see they upload at least one video every single day, and the money they make from this channel they use to pay the thumbnail artists, the script writers, the voiceover artists, the video editors, and so forth. I'm going to discuss both the free and paid methods when creating videos for a channel. So you'll want to use the free methods until your channel is making money, and then just reinvest that money back into your channel. The first step is to get video ideas. The easiest way to do that is just to go channels in your niche. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna do the luxury niche. So I'm gonna go to this channel, go to most popular, and then these are the videos that people like to watch as they're the most popular. So I'm gonna do the most expensive watches in the world as an example for this video. The next step is to get the video script. So you can go to Fiverr and then just pay someone to do it for you, or you can go to a video you want to recreate. So let's say, for example, this video, go to these three dots, open transcript, and then toggle timestamps, and then you can just copy all of this text, and then you have a raw script. Or you can just search for an article based on your video idea, and then you can just copy all of this text, and then you also have a raw script. Once you have a full raw script, so it can either be this whole YouTube video or this whole article, you can then just copy it, paste it into quillbot.com, and then click on paraphrase. This will paraphrase all of this text and make it into your own words, so you can avoid plagiarism or any copyright issues. The third step is the voiceover. So again, you can just pay someone on Fiverr to do the voiceover for you. You can do the voiceover yourself, or you can use a text-to-speech software. So I'm gonna copy this text, and then Google has their own text-to-speech program. So you'll just want to go to this link, it will be in the description below, and then just scroll down to demo, and then just paste your text. I'm just gonna do one sentence, and then I personally like the WaveNet J. You can adjust the speed and pitch, but I'm just gonna leave this as it is.
Patek Philippe is one of the most well-known luxury watch manufacturers in the world, so expect to see it mentioned several times on this list.
And then you can just record your computer audio while this text-to-speech software is working, and then you have a full voiceover. The fourth step is to create the video. So you can just pay someone again to create the video for you. So on Fiverr you can just type in video creation or video editing, or you can do it yourself. You can find video clips by just typing in whatever you want on Pexels, which is a stock free video and photo website, or you can use video clips from the brand's channel. So say, for example, Rolex, just type in Rolex and then filter by channel. So you can go to the Rolex official channel, and then you can use any of their videos as long as the clip isn't longer than 10 seconds in your own video. Now to edit the videos you can use Storyblocks, which is a software where you can... Now to edit the video you can use Storyblocks. They have thousands of stock free audio, images and videos, but they also have their own video editor. So you can create the video inside of this, you can add text, you can search for stock free videos, and then you can find different videos and then you can just add them, or you can just use any other video editing software such as Premiere Pro or whatever you're using. The last thing you need to create is the thumbnail. So again, you can just pay someone on Fiverr to do it for you, or you can do it yourself with Canva, which has a bunch of different templates, and there's a lot of YouTube tutorials out there on how to use Canva. The last step is to upload your video and use keywords in order to rank on YouTube search and next to suggested videos on YouTube. So to do keyword research, I would recommend getting vidIQ. The link will be in the description for a special discount, and here you can just type in whatever your video is about. So let's say luxury watches, and then here you will see the search volume, the competition and the overall score. So I'm just gonna choose a few of them, copy these tags, and then under the tag section just paste them, and let's maybe do most expensive watches, and then just take a bunch of these, copy them, paste them here. You can also, if you have the vidIQ extension, just click on this vidIQ button and then this will also open up, and then you can just click on this plus button and it will add them to your tags. After you've added all of your tags, at the top you'll see an actionable SEO score that shows you the chances of ranking on YouTube. So at the moment it's not good because we don't have a title or description, but if I add the title, most expensive watches in the world, you will see the score went up to 30, and then if I add the title in the description again, then the score is almost 50, but yeah, usually above 40 is good. And then in the description you want to add affiliate links. So let's say you have a tech channel and you can sign up to Amazon's affiliate program and list all of the products you used in your video down below as an affiliate link. So every time someone clicks on the link and they purchase something, then you will get a small commission. This can also be affiliate products from ClickBank or Warrior Plus or JVZoo or Digistore24. You can have links to a print-on-demand t-shirt store, you can have links to a dropshipping store, it doesn't matter, but usually you want to add at least one different source of income in your description. After 1k subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can then monetize your channel if it doesn't have any copyright issues. So make sure you do your research on YouTube's copyright laws and what you can or cannot do. But the whole idea of a YouTube automation channel is to use the money you make in order to pay other people to create videos for you. So at the end you just come up with the video ideas, do keyword research and upload your videos. After you have a profitable automation channel, you can then start another one and then just repeat the process in a different niche. My next video will be about the most profitable YouTube automation niches with examples of channels, so you can start a channel in any niche you're passionate about and see the CPM and determine whether or not that will be a good investment of your time and money. The first 100 subscribers is the hardest part, and it takes on average 30 videos to get 1000 subscribers. So I would suggest create a new channel, get some video ideas and start making videos, and don't stop until you have 30 videos on your channel, and make sure to improve and optimize along the way. Having a YouTube automation channel is really fun, and it is a good source of income because every month you will make more and more money as you make more and more videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.